In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit header on your Wix website. We'll walk through opening your site in Wix Studio, selecting the header correctly, customizing its content and design, and making sure your changes are saved, all in a clear and simple flow. Start by opening Wix Studio in your browser and sign in if needed. Once you're in, go to your site's dashboard. From there, click Edit Site to launch the Wix Studio editor. This opens your site canvas where you can make visual changes. To work on the header, move to the very top of any page in the editor. The header sits above the main page content. If you're not seeing it, just scroll to the top until you do. Now click directly on the header area. You should see a highlighted outline and a small label that says header. That label confirms you've selected the entire header section, not just a single item inside it. With the header selected, you can edit the elements it contains. Click your logo to replace it with a new image, adjust its size and alignment, or set it to link back to the homepage. For best results, use a high-quality PNG with transparency or an SVG for crisp scaling. Keep file sizes reasonable so your site loads quickly. Next, adjust your navigation. Click the menu to rename items, reorder them, or link to pages, sections, or external URLs. Make sure your page names are clear and consistent, and that the most important links appear first. You can also fine-tune spacing and hover styles so the menu looks clean and is easy to use. If your header includes items like a call to action button or social icons, select them to edit text, links, and styling. Keep your header uncluttered. A balanced layout helps visitors find what they need fast. To refine the overall look, open your header's design or layout settings. Here you can change the background color, image, or gradient, adjust the header's height, and control borders and shadows. Consider enabling a sticky header so it stays visible while users scroll, and ensure there's enough contrast between text and background for accessibility. Switch to the mobile view to confirm everything fits and remains readable on smaller screens. You can adjust sizing, spacing, and even use a simplified menu design for phones. When you're satisfied, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Save regularly as you work to preserve your changes. That's all you need to confidently edit and refine the header on your Wix website.